so it's here for the morning. Here's the Vibe. Here it is. Got it back last night. $240 to fix the broken pipe. It was laying on top of stuff. It was rattling. And then as far as the muffler goes, he said there's a couple little holes in the muffler and the seam looks like it might be starting to come apart, but he said that's something I can do at a later time. Okay, so here it is. It sounds like a real car. Yeah, it's a tiny bit loud from the muffler, but I'm so pleased with it. Oh, why am I right there? I'm trying to smoke. And why is it smoking? It is cold out. Oh, you know what? That smoke smells like fuel, like it's running rich. What the hell? It did just start and it's cold. I'll keep an eye on that. Did some stuff on it there. Not terrible. I'd say it's like 70-80% quieter. At least 80 to 90% quieter. I mean, I can always fix the muffler if I want. I mean, replace it.